I created one PO purchase order. Go to SAP EWM/PRDI. Here, just execute. I have I have a new delivery. Okay. So users start unloading. Okay, when they receive this delivery, they start performing the unloading from the truck, and they observe that they received somewhat less quantity. Okay, they received only 8 quantity instead of 10 quantity. They received only 8 quantity instead of 10 quantity. What they will be doing here in this case? Normally the modifications will be done with respect to RF, which is RF gun, but still we didn't in the scope of learning RF. Maybe in the after 1 month or after 1.5 months, we'll be discussing about the RF functionalities. But in this case, I'm directly modifying in the inbound delivery. If you see here with respect to delivery line item and 10 quantities, select the line item and click on process codes. Click on process codes. Once you click on this process codes, you can see here with quantity adjustment. With quantity adjustment, majority of the case we'll use with quantity adjustment. Okay, I'll tell you when you will use this part also with quantity adjustment. And process code is I001 delivery difference adjust quantities, I002 delivery difference adjust document plus quantities. Adjust document and adjust document plus quantity here. So there are two things here would like to discuss. You are decreasing the quantity here, right? From 10 quantity to 8 quantity, you are decreasing the quantities. But for the remaining quantity, 2 quantity, what we should do in this case? You are decreasing from 10 to 8 quantity this delivery. But what exactly you are expecting for the remaining 2 quantities? Are you expecting to receive in a different inbound delivery for the 2 quantities, or else you are not expecting to receive the two quantities? In 10 quantity, you received only 8 quantity, right? Remaining 2 quantity, are you expecting to receive in a different delivery, or else you are not expecting to receive at all from the vendor? It depends, right? Normally, how you speak with vendor. If the vendor is sending the remaining quantities, you are going to create a new delivery. How you are going to create a new delivery, guys? Normally, in this case, with respect to process code, one process code. If you see I001, I'll use this I001 first of all. I will use -2 quantities. I001 delivery difference adjust quantity -2. Once I click on this one, automatically a change will happen from 10 to 8 quantities. You can see here. Under delivery tolerance exceeded, that's not a big thing. Okay, just okay. Means we modified 10 quantity to 8 quantity for this line item. So this is direct delivery modification. Okay, direct delivery modification. Direct delivery modification. If you want to see, go to item level, select this entry, go to process code. In process code, you can see I001 delivery difference adjust document. Now there is something called I002 also there is, you can see. There is something called I002. What I002 here? It will create new delivery from the EWM normally. It will create, if I'm doing -1, Okay, it will do -1 here, but for the one quantity, how much ever you are doing minus, with respect to these process codes, system will create a new delivery for this quantity. Same supplier, same thing. It get new delivery from the EWM, and it will be applicable in the ECC also. Means it will trigger in the ECC also. Okay, this dummy system, we are not able to generate a new number, but normally once you use process code I002, it will trigger a new delivery number, which is ERP new number, like 31186, like this for the one quantity. Okay, and I know this is working in your system. Okay, the system which we are given to you, it is working for you. Okay, I mean which we give to you, and hope everyone knows that one, right? You need to contact server guy, and you need to replace, and you'll get it for freely. Okay, as you already paid for this server, you'll get it freely. Clear? And you can see there is something called adjust document. Okay, with no content adjustment, same thing will be there, but delivery difference no adjustment. Means what, guys? When you will use this, when exactly you will use this process code? The process code for this line item, no quantity adjustment if I choose, and if I choose I003, what will happen, guys? Here you are not supposed to modify manually here, but but the quantity what you received through scanning of pallets, the quantity what mentioned in the inbound delivery, system automatically finds the difference here. This is possible with only RF gun. Okay, means after 1 month, when you do reception with RF gun, not directly here. Okay, when you do the reception through RF gun with the radio frequency gun. Okay, like how in the real warehouse how they will do the goods receipt, like that if you do, you'll get difference automatically. And if you click on OK, automatically system will identify the difference between the what you received and what is there in the inbound delivery, and automatically it will update in the inbound delivery, the difference quantities. Clear, guys? Any confusion here? Any confusion?
The difference.
Sorry?
It will identify the difference.
Your voice is very low.
How it will identify the difference?
How it will identify the difference? So I told you there is one transaction called RFUA. Okay, /o/SAPWM/RFUA. Generally, you will be performing the reception with respect to the RF. Okay. Reception is always through the RF. Okay. Normally, I'll set up these things and all. Don't worry. So once you log into RF, I'll show you. You see? So this is like RF gun. Okay. In the real time, they will use these RF guns. They will do the scanning. Okay. They will always scan. Once scanning is completed, they will tell scan completed, unloading completed. Okay. Once the unloading is completed, system will think, okay, the unloading is completed, when delivery is completed, but it will not update any status. Okay. It will do GR also. It will do GR also. If GR is completed, but for how much quantity you done the unloading now? So suppose I'll take one example. Okay. In this delivery quantity is 7. Okay. In this inbound delivery, the quantity is 7. Quantity is 7. Now you are doing unloading. Okay. With respect to RF gun scanning, unloading, you are doing one by one. Okay. One, something you are doing. Okay. Up to here you're done, and you mention like unloading completed. In the RF gun, unloading completed. What system will do? System will do the GR automatically. Means system will complete the GR now. System computed GR for how much quantity now? System computed GR for how much quantity now?
6.
6. But what is the quantity in the inbound delivery?
7.
Now you have difference or not? Now
Yes.
what will happen if you go here, if you go process code, no adjustment quantity, directly click on this one, automatically system will think that unloading quantity 6 quantity GR is done, but in the system it is 1 quantity. Automatically it will update this one to 6 quantity. Clear? There will be difference with respect to unloading what you understand this one, okay? Means when you start receiving the inbound with RF gun, you'll understand this transaction will use to GR, put away, everything. You will not do any kind of direct transactions, okay? Like GR, put away, unloading. You will not do anything directly from this transaction, okay? You will always do it from the RF gun here. Okay? Lot of things, a lot of logic will be there, okay, behind this one. Don't worry. And in case if you receive a damaged goods from the vendor, what we can do? You observe that you receive some damaged goods, damaged pallets are there in the delivery. What you will do in this case?
Reject.
You can reject this one. You can reject the inbound delivery. You can do rejection from the directly from here, or else you can directly reject from the process code. Also, you can reject. Let's see. Reject inbound delivery. Clear?
What I002 will do?
I told you that the difference quantity in the inbound delivery, are you expecting to receive one more delivery or not?
Okay, 1 and 2 difference. That's what I'm asking.
This one, okay. In this case, it will not create new delivery.
Okay.
But in this case, it create new delivery.
Oh, okay.
That's the difference. Clear?
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. And for this configurations also is there, okay? Process code configuration is there, but you will not use much, but I can show you. Every SPRO, implementation guide, warehouse management, go to cross power settings, go to delivery warehouse request, and here you will see the process codes, define process codes. Wait. There are a lot of process codes. Can you see here? I001, I002, I003, I004, I005, I000. You can have your own if you want. Okay. Okay. You can have your own process codes. Can you see? In the warehouse level, which process code you want to activate and which process code you want to deactivate. Process code, if you see here, I don't want to use CARR. I don't want to use these two. I don't want to use this one. Can you see inactive? You will see less configurations in the process code. Just try to spend some time. Okay. These are not really hard. Just you need to spend some time in the process codes part. When you're practicing, please practice, multiple deliveries, multiple process codes, okay? Reject the inbound delivery, apply process code I001, apply process code I002, check the difference in ECC, post GR, reject inbound delivery, check in ECC. Always you should do all the examples. Okay.
So do you need to map anything for that?
Don't map anything. Okay, not required. You don't need to map anything actually. Just see the mapping. That's it. How the mapping was done. That's it. Don't do any mapping.
Is there any mapping for that? I'm asking.
For what?
I mean, the unrestricted. I mean, sorry, the quantity change and the rejection. How the ECC?
No, nothing. Okay, there is a map. There is a configuration. It's not a mapping. It's a configuration is there. Okay, but the configuration is still in the system that you will learn in the next classes. Okay, there is something called availability group concept. Okay, that concept will explain you how stock is updating in the ECC in the right way. There is a logic behind that. Okay, full configuration is there. That like stock type. You'll understand that in the next classes. CWM is like only one concept we will discuss in parts. Okay, so you understand in different ways. So just follow the classes. Okay, end of the day you will become perfect in the core SAP standard SAP EWM. Okay.
So can you explain this one more? The customer profile process code. What is this customer profile?
So this customer profile and system profile are like I told you. These profiles are SAP standard. You cannot define your own profiles. Each and every field, each and every tab is controlled through profile actually. Each and every tab controlled through profile. And if you see here, PRDKAN, this for the Kanban, this for the transfer, unplanned, direct. You can see short text here. This for the inbound deliveries, process code, inbound delivery reversal process codes, inbound delivery manufacturing process code. I mean different kind of inbound deliveries normally. Different kind of inbound deliveries. And direct outbound, Kanban, outbound delivery, posting changes, stock STO, stock transfers. Means you will use these process codes in many different ways, right? Means different kind of inbound deliveries, right? Or outbound deliveries. You have like direct inbound, subcontracting, consignment, STO, reversals. A lot of inbound deliveries are there, right? SAP has provided you all the profiles with respect to different kind of inbound deliveries, and they asked you normally, okay, now if you're doing STO, which process codes you want, which process codes you don't want. If you're doing stock transport order, means one plant to other plant, which process codes you want and which process codes you don't want. Can you see? They maintain like these three process codes. Default they are using 00001 process code. So when you create outbound delivery, check. Sorry, STO. When you create a stock transport order, you will see only these three process codes. When you create outbound delivery, STO, stock transport order, you will see only these three process codes: 001, O003, REQ. Only these three you can see. But what and all you can see now? I can see now different kind of process codes. I001, I002, I003, I004, lot of these things. Why? Because of the inbound. For the inbound, they maintain. Can you see? Inbound delivery standard for item EWM standard. Okay. Standard inbound delivery. And if you see, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These things are all I can see. Okay. But I am not able to see these things. Okay. In my process codes. These are inactive. These are inactive process codes. What and all you do here, it's going to replicate to the inbound delivery. It will replicate in the inbound delivery process code. Here. What exactly you do here, it will replicate in the inbound delivery process code. Clear?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So when you have multiple inbound deliveries, different kind of inbound deliveries, you can see difference normally. Normally inbound, you will see different process codes. In case production inbound is there, okay, you're doing production and production inbound is there, you will see different process codes. That is controlled through the these system profiles.
So what we are seeing is all standard one, is that correct?
Yeah, everything is standard only here.
So yeah, you can create a customized one also.
Possibility is there, but yes, with the help of maybe ABAP, to create this one. Okay.
But mostly we are using only standard.
Is enough. Okay, there is nothing required for customized here. In case if you want to modify a lot, then you can go for these things. Okay, just because if you have here, what you will do, you will go and just deactivate and activate, right? No need to create new one, right? If you want to have, if you want this one, you will activate. If you don't want this one, you will deactivate, right? What is the need of creating a new one actually? Just activate and deactivate. That's it.
Okay. So it looks like it's the same Migo transaction in ECC. Is that correct?
Migo transaction. This is not Migo, right?
Not Migo. I mean, the process I'm thinking.
No, Migo is totally different. Okay, Migo directly it will do GR. But in case here in EWM you cannot do GR here. Okay, directly. You need to use RFUI. This one you'll get to know in the later part. You need to use this transaction. Okay, you need to log into RF. Let me show you. Let me see if it works or not. Actually, I need to configure a lot of things. Okay. See, once I log in here, I need to go to inbound process because inbound, what I'm doing unloading. I need to unload pallet by pallet now. Okay. Unload by ASN, advanced shipping notification, unload by delivery here. I have to give delivery number. Okay. Once I give my delivery number, system will pull all handling units that are receiving in the inbound delivery. I need to scan one by one now. With the help of RF gun, I need to scan one by one because physically I am receiving HU labels. Okay, there. If you see here, I will be receiving HU with labels. That's it. I want you to go to IKEA. I just told you 3 weeks back. Okay, you need to go to IKEA. You need to go to the Metro Wholesale, and you need to observe all these things. Why? If you see, when you receive the handling unit, you will receive with the barcodes. So with the help of RF gun, we are going to scan that. Okay, once you scan that, automatically system will do unloading here. Okay, system will do unloading pallet by pallet. Okay, here unloading by delivery. If you go inside, it will go. It will scan the pallet. Again, you need to scan different pallet. Again, like you need to scan all pallets that you received in the inbound delivery. And once you scan all the pallets, just you click on completed here. Okay, it will be like one option will be there. Just complete unloading completed. Once you complete here, automatically system will do the GR in the inbound delivery. So this is not something same in the MyGo. Okay, MyGo is something like you are directly doing in the system directly, but physically it is something different. But MyGo it is no it is not recording anything. Okay, which HU you received, how much stock, which HU, which batch, which serial number, everything is not recorded. But in the EWM it will record everything. Okay, clear. If you see here, you have like not only unloading. Okay, you have like put away, you have deconsolidation, you are receiving of handling units, you have everything in the EWM. Okay, you'll do step by step, you'll not go directly somewhere. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is about the basic inbound. Okay. On tomorrow's class, we will see developability determination, how exactly developability will be coming. Very important classes from tomorrow. Real EWM will start from tomorrow. Okay. From tomorrow, at least 1 month, we'll complete all topics. Okay. Very important topics. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. 3 days we'll cover. And the all important EWM topics which we gave in the file, we'll complete that. Okay. We'll
So
go
here,
with yeah.
here onwards we are practicing only decentralized. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, because in embedded we have a lot of issues, and every day we cannot struggle with the issues. Okay, I was a bit
But if you don't mind, can you do some comparison? What we'll do in decentralized, what we'll do in embedded.
No, I already explained you, right? In embedded also we configured almost up to end. The basic system configuration we did okay.
No, because in the future everything we are doing in embedded only because of everyone, all the clients going to move to.
No. Who told that? Even S4 also we have decentralized, right?
Yeah.
Even S4 and also we have decentralized.
Oh, okay.
Almost like 80%, okay, I can say companies are going to decentralized. S4 decentralized. Say same way how system we are using, okay. S4 decentralized. Nothing difference here. If you go to S4 decentralized, nothing difference, okay. We have same. It will be like S4 ECC and S4 EWM, okay, that's it. Only if you're going to embedded systems, then we have few differences. Embedded means within the same system, if they are using EWM and other systems, then we have some difference. Other than that, we don't have much difference.
Yeah, but it's going to ECC. I mean, the SAP going to end with the 2027, right? They're going to.
Yeah. See, they can see. I can explain you. In ECC place, what you will get S4 HANA, right?
Yeah.
EWM place, what we will get S4 HANA, right?
S4 HANA, yeah.
Now we have two systems or not?
Yeah, it's one system. Yeah.
We are decentralized or embedded now. This is
This one is decentralized.
this is decentralized only.
Yeah.
This is what I'm telling you. We use decentralized many in EWM. Embedded also we'll use, but less.
Okay.
See, in whatever we are practicing now,
Hmm.
we're using ECC just for support only.
Yeah.
It will not impact any other way actually. Just we are using for support. All actions we will do in the EWM only. ECC just will do only for the creation of inbound deliveries. That's it. Creation of material, creation of vendor, creation of inbound delivery. That's it.
Yeah.
We don't use ECC for any other purpose. We use EWM only.
Yeah, but the ECC have a different process, like for example, vendor master. You have create a different.
Only one difference, okay, that is called BP. In S4 we have something called BP.
No, that kind of scenario only we should know that, because what are the difference from ECC and EWM, I mean S4 HANA. So when you explain concept in decentralized, also we want to know that what will happen in embedded and S4 HANA itself. So it will be more helpful.
Last class, yeah, right, okay. The last class, if you see, we have created on BP, and we have created one inbound delivery also. We created in the last class. Yeah. If you see.
Yeah, I got it.
Remember.
I mean, in the future, whatever.
Yeah, I agree. I got the point what you are mentioning. Yeah. Each and every topic you are mentioning, like what differences we will see in the ECC and EWM.
Exactly.
But just system point of view, there is one thing called big difference called BP only. Okay. Other than that, there is no big difference. But there are small differences there, but there is no much big difference. Okay. Anyways, I will try to see. Okay.